I just got this in. So this is the NewBeeDrone Max Comfort Goggle Foam. Now, this is something that I bought because I've had my FatShark Dominator V3s for quite some time, and I've gone through 2 of the FatShark foams, and they always end up nasty. It only takes about like one summer, a few months really, for this to get nasty, and there's no way to clean it. And yeah, it just falls apart, and it absorbs the sweat from your head. So it's just not good. It's just not good. It doesn't hold up. So I got this. It was only $7.99, and I'm hoping that it's gonna be better than the stock foam. Let's take a look. And already you can see that it's looks like a much improved foam. So it's not really cloth. It's this sponge-like material here. And it comes with this Velcro bit, so that way you can remove it easily and replace it if you need to. I'm gonna have to literally just rip all this out because mine doesn't even come with Velcro. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, get this in there, and get this old nasty FatShark foam out. This is the other reason why I'm getting rid of this FatShark foam, is because look at this, you can't even pull it off because mine's actually the older. I think the older version where, yeah, you just stuck the entire pad right to the goggles. So this is going to be a while I pull this crap off of here. Be real careful when you are pulling the sticky stuff from here, because you don't want to end up yanking this wire out. All right, there we go. I'm pretty happy with that, and now we're ready to go ahead and put on the new faceplate. You're gonna wanna start with the nose part first, because then that makes getting in the rest of it easier. And that's it. I mean, what a difference, right? Now, these feel awesome on my face. I mean, we went from, look, this is what we had originally, this, and now we went to this. Much nicer material, much better quality. I definitely feel like I'll probably be able to maybe clean this a little bit better, and it won't just soak in sweat and keep it in there because it's not cloth. So I'm very, very impressed with these NewBeeDrone Max Comfort Goggle Foam. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed this little quick review / look at the NewBeeDrone Max Comfort Foam Goggles. And as always, have a great day, guys.